Hey guys, Casey here with M&R. Today I'm going to show you a couple ways to get a more consistent coat while manually coating screens. Alright, so today I'll be showing you 3 different ways to coat a screen. The first way I'll show you is one-handed manually. You're going to want to place a trough at the bottom of the screen on the outside. Tilt it up until you get an even emulsion across left and right. Now slowly pull it up, and while you're pulling it up, I like to stand while I do it. Try to keep an even amount of pressure left and right and the even speed. When you get to the top, tilt the trough back, scrape that excess off, turn it over. Okay, so you're going to do the same for the inside of the screen. Now the one problem that I find manually coating with one hand is just the unevenness of everything. You know, uneven pressure left and right, and how I can't stay straight in the middle of the screen. Alright, so the second way I'm going to show you is using a homemade screen holder and using 2 hands while you're coating. So it's the same application as before. Set the trough on the bottom. Gently tilt it up until you have emulsion touching the screen left to right, and using both hands now, coat the screen, trying to keep the consistent pressure and consistent speed from bottom to top. Now when you get to the top, make sure to scrape off a little bit of that excess. Remembering to do the print side first, or the outside, and then doing the inside of the screen. And again, starting at the bottom, tilt your trough up until the emulsion hits completely left to right, consistent. Now you can only do one side at a time while you're doing this method, and once you start, you can't stop until you're finished. It's just that easy. Alright, so I'm going to show you the third way of actually coating a screen. This is using our Uni-Kote. This is great because you're going to get a consistent coat every single time. And you can actually store different recipes for different applications, whether it's screen mesh or if you wanted to do high density. You're going to get a consistent coat with the speed and pressure, and it's actually hands-free. While this is running, I can actually go and wash out a screen now. Productivity saving you time. And just like that, it's already done. That concludes our tips for today. Thanks for joining us. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, because you're missing out if you don't.